Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is May the 16th, 2020, and we're going to give you all another simplistic way of understanding where prices are likely to go in the stock market. And today's video is going to be about Amazon. We're going to determine whether or not this particular stock is still a buy. As you guys can tell that Amazon has been trading opposite of what has been going on during this coronavirus pandemic. Many of the stocks in the stock market has saw massive movement to the downside, but not so much for Amazon. So we need to answer the question, can this stock continue to see higher price and even make all-time highs? So welcome to our channel. This is your first time watching our video. Hit that like button, share the video, join us on our other social media platforms, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. Join us on our own community-wide website, HueFinancial.com, in order to see more of our predictions of where we're actually going to pinpoint where the market is going to go in stocks. So like I said, we're going to talk about Amazon. So I'm going to start this video off in Amazon with the movement. Well, we're going to look at this on a weekly time frame first, okay? And you guys can tell that over the last 5 weeks, the market in Amazon literally just within a consolidational phase. $2,300 around that vicinity is where the support area lies, and restriction is up there around $2,450, $2,500 per share. Okay, looking at Amazon on the monthly time frame, you guys can tell that last month was very powerful in terms of Amazon continuing to see massive strength in the space, so much so that this stock is trading well away from this overall long-term trend, which is higher. And so long as this market in Amazon trades above this line that is drawn on my chart, it will continue to move higher in price. That's simple. Okay, so now we need to determine whether or not this stock is going to continue to move higher in the short term. Looking back at Amazon on the weekly time frame, this was the week that Amazon should have saw continued movement to the downside. But did it really play out that way? No, it didn't. So at best, this market is holding consolidational trading well. And it lets us know that the market trapper, he's the dude right there at the bottom left side of my screen. He's the one that is directing the flow of this stock price. And right now, he is still showing interest in the market for Amazon to continue to see the movement higher in price on the weekly time frame. Looking at Amazon on the daily time frame, you guys can still tell that the time that Amazon stock price went lower was during its earnings. But if the earnings were really negative, this stock would have seen continual movement to the downside, and that hasn't been the case. And even on Friday, yesterday, the market in Amazon still continued to see the movement higher in price. So even on the daily time frame, Amazon is still a buy. So simple to see, simple to understand. So we're going to continue to play this market in Amazon with the movement higher in price. Okay, now we already understand that there is some restriction at $2,440. So just to take an initial shaving off of the profit in that particular market would be feasible, because we see in the background already that this is where the trap is finding problems into pushing this stock price higher. So yeah, shave some of that profit off, about a 1.25% profit into the market for Amazon there. But taking it back over to the weekly time frame, this market in Amazon is still forecasted to continue to make all-time highs, at least for the time being. Okay, so we're going to play this market in Amazon with continued movement higher. We're going to play on the daily time frame, and literally anywhere within this green at 2440 definitely would be a TP area that we need to continue to keep our eyes open for, because if we break that 2440, Amazon will make all-time highs. I'm telling you that now. Okay, so this is it. Questions, comments, let us know. Leave us one in the bottom section of this video. Make sure you maintain that profitability, and I will talk to you all on the next one.